Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make this cake. First we are gonna take a chocolate cake which is already baked and it is also 1 kg. By the way, we already have this cake recipe in our channel, so you can check it out. Now we're gonna slice some from the side for later use, I think. Then we are gonna slice it into 3 equal parts. So this is a chocolate truffle ganache which is already in this channel which is made. We already made it and now we're showing it. So first we're gonna put it on bottom of the cake base, then we're gonna put the cake so that it doesn't fall off. Now we're gonna put some sugar syrup, then we're gonna put some chocolate truffle ganache. If you put more, it will be more tastier if you put more. So this is a truffle cake, so we are calling this chocolate truffle ganache, and we used no whipped cream in this ganache, that's why. We are gonna do the same process to the other 2 layers. So a little bit of chocolate ganache was left, so we are gonna again melt the chocolate ganache and then we are gonna crumb coat the chocolate cake. Now we are gonna put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. It was already 1 kg order, so it's already now 1 kg 200 grams. So icing and decorating is left still. Now my mother is reading the colors, red color and pink color. So we made the red color and we put it on the white color, then it became pink color. We want to make it dark red, so we put it more pink color and we put it another drop of red color so that it becomes dark red color. After 2-3 hours we took it out of the refrigerator and we are now starting to icing it and decorating it. Now we are gonna finish it with palette knife and scraper. We are doing our own design for a birthday cake. You can do any design you want. You can do however design you want. We're making some flower design for it. Now the cake is already finished. Now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 7 or 6 hours. You can put it how many hours you want. We put it only for 7 hours. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like